Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to add text behind an object in Camtasia. First, open your Camtasia project and then import a video. Now go to annotations and select text. And then do some correction to the text as you want. Then again import the same video and drag it over the text track. Now go to the visual effects and select background removal effect and drag into the track 3 video. And here you can see the text is already added behind an object. For better looks, you can add some behavior in your text. And here is the preview. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel and click the bell icon for more updates.